Oh, never mind. Open it. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Rip it. Tear it apart. You're good at that.
Keep going.
She's like, am I okay? Can I do this?
Am I going to yell? Go ahead. She's like, I just see paper here. What's Oh, hey, there's something in it. What is it, Jada?
Let's see. Get the paper all the way off. What is it?
It's paper.
What is it?
Really?
Scooby?
Ready?
Open it. Here. Don't tell me you're going to be all nice about this one. Oh, never mind.
Hold on.
Did you grab that movie again today?
Again? We already got it for her.
I think so.
Okay.
I don't think so. Maybe we did.
Go check, or did you already wrap it?
I already wrapped everything. I don't remember getting Scooby-Doo's. Rip it. Hey, I'm supposed to be videoing.
I'm videoing.
Here, hold on. Rip it right here. There you go.
That was Dad's goof. She keeps getting closer to me.
She's trying to open it. What is it? So, Dad.
Okay.
You got another one. Put them back. Open this one.
Really? I don't know why you had to help on that one. Didn't help on any of the other ones.
What is it? Let me see.
Mom?
No, not Mom.
Daddy?
A frog? Show Dad. Show him. Show
That's
Dad
it.
what you got.
That's all of them.
She's like, I want to open more. Should I give her her slippers now?
You want to?
I'll give her her slippers now. She likes slippers.
I noticed.
Ready?
Sailbug.
Ready? Yeah.
Open it. You need help? Here. What are those?
Then,
Yep, that's for Jayla. What are they? They slippers?
Mom.
Those are princesses. You wanna wear them? Come here. Look. Look, Jayla.
Are you?
Dinosaur?
Is it?